Starting a business is incredibly hard.
Entrepreneurship is not a straight line.
You have to be comfortable pivoting from your structure.
At Lab to Life, we have used a unique approach that's often used in industry to allow researchers to continue to do what they do best.
Lab to Life is a venture studio. We help incubate companies.
Our biggest job is to take their idea and their technology and create a company around it.
We really find the path that makes the most sense for that technology, and we do it in partnership with them.
I'm Mustafa Yurtkani. I'm assistant professor at Colorado State University, also the founder of Curable Composites. We have developed new technologies to make carbon fiber parts and structures. We are making them faster, cheaper, and more efficient. We are targeting different industries from aerospace to wind energy to automotive to biomedical.
We have a team of what we call entrepreneurs in training. These are the most incredible students at Colorado State University who come onto the team, and together we'll learn what the market needs.
We have a compelling value proposition for them. They get to help us start a company, experience that they wouldn't get going to class.
When we started the Lab to Life program, there were a few EITs. Kindle was one of the ones that early on became in charge of Curable Composite.
I handle the day-to-day operations. I take insight from the founder. I take it to Jim Paw, Sydney Peck, and then we come together.
And we'll guide the development of a more finished product, and we'll start to build that into prototypes that can be rolled out into the market, and we can start to test them in segments.
Creating a business, it's another different world, essentially another job to start in parallel to the job that I currently have.
We roll up our sleeves. We are building the models. We are out in the field with them, with the experience behind us that our team has had in starting and running businesses.
Lab to Life has served as a wonderful foundation for me. L2L provides tools and resources. It was an incredible opportunity for me.
The Lab to Life program has enabled me to be able to develop new products that are actually tangible, create a positive impact, not only on the industry, but also on the society.
Those inventions change the world, and that's really the goal.